you see, because what happened is blah 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 yaki this maki, you can't, nobody can hear what I'm saying, but I was laughing at this plane, yeah. So I had to make a video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the new folks. I was heading off island for work and got a chance to take a flight in this plane with the Grenada flag on it. I saw some sort of thing on Facebook a few months ago, but there were no details about the plane. I thought we purchased the plane, but I don't think we did. Either way, it was only a regional flight, so I got a chance to hop in this small plane. Check it out.
They're making a YouTube, you know. Oh, that's the one. Just study me, you know. Let's see. Our flag look nice, but let me do this. Big up all yourself. Work mode. 7. I get a free seat bike. Yes, I. Get you there, buddy. Small boy.
You see, I got some of my muscles back. And with these small planes, it's not a lot of space. But thankfully, I got all the seat for myself. It was only a short flight to St. Vincent. I think they were connecting on, so didn't have a lot of passengers. But anyway, say goodbye to Grenada. Let's hit the air. I like sitting by the engine, so there was free choice of seat. But I took this one. I also wanted to show you guys this view when you're leaving off from Grenada Airport. Depends on the size of the plane, you get a better view. First, you see that St. George's University on the bottom side. It's veterinary and medical school. Pretty large orange roof building on the peninsula. Then a lot of that southern east coast. What I want you to observe is how clean the water is down there. We were just a few days after a lot of flooding and landslides, and most of the east coast was brown, as you'd seen a little bit. But on the southern side, the water was relatively clean with good visibility. Yep, as we got over St. David's, you can see the brown in the water. Now, this area here probably had a couple of videos on the channel, drone flying through that headland with the arch. That's right where we're flying over now, Galby Beach. It's all St. David's going up into St. Andrews. You can see Latent Bay, Crochet Bay, Cavier as we go up. But yeah, it was a lot of flooding, a lot of landslides, a lot of downpour, and all that silt and sediment. You can see it over on the east coast. So you don't expect a spearfishing video from me for a little while because I won't be able to see anything in this water. Additionally, that same evening I made this video, there was a lot of rain and more landslides and flooding in Grenada. So we've been hit by a few. I guess those rain clouds we're flying through now was part of it. St. Vincent weather was a little bit better. I see now as we're flying over the island that I'm actually heading to. So I made it out from the air, which is really cool. But yeah, this was a short trip on the small plane. But I just wanted to share with you some of my vet life adventures. I was going to North Island for work just for a week on one of these small islands there. That's something I do from time to time. And yeah, weather was good, had the opportunity. The plane was relatively empty because it was an early morning flight. I guess they would pick more people up on the connecting. But yeah, my plan is, I'm going to get a couple more video to you guys. Thanks for supporting. Don't forget to hit that like. Leave a comment, let me know if you actually flew on one of these small planes before. I think it's the Inter-Caribbean. I don't know the type of plane. The plane people's gonna have to tell me what type of plane it is. I know the trip. If you've been to St. Vincent before, the landing can be a bit sketchy if you have bad weather, but the weather was relatively good for landing. Um, as for the channel going forward, I'm going to get a few things out. Probably have content coming out every week again, maybe a couple of days in the week, small videos, more veterinary stuff. I know I have a dental coming up. I have some cat trapping. I have a bunch of stuff. And then what the weather gives us, we'll add to it. But yeah, thanks for your support again. Remember, if you haven't as yet, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, put on your social media. Everything counts. It was a short flight, safe landing into St. Vincent. We hit the brakes really fast though. If you've been to St. Vincent before, you know. The runway is a little bit bigger now than it used to be because we used to come in a lot lower and hit the brakes a lot harder. So it was a smooth landing, relatively eventless flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the home of the Blues to St. Vincent. You just